I created this tool, this manager scheduler, to try to help people manage my schedule. It's pretty intuitive there. I just went into ChatGPT and then used this thing called Prompt Maker, which you guys can use if you're ever creating a custom LLM. It's by this guy who I follow on LinkedIn, Ruben Hassad, but I basically just took the old pickaxe prompt that was powering that thing, put it in here, gave me a new prompt, and pasted that in here. So let's see how it goes. I would be the person who is managing my schedule now. So for instance, this is the tool that I made for Jesha before. So if I was Jesha or if I'm Jonathan and I just say, hey, I need to get Nick's schedule put into the calendar for next week. Perfect. So then it'll break it down. Which days next week are designated as manager days and which ones are maker days. So then, like I said in the last loom there, you can hit, if you hold down shift and then hit enter, it gives you the ability to put in multiple lines here. So if you do one, which days are maker and which days are manager. So Monday equals manager. So any days with meetings, those will be manager days. Any days where I'm having to coordinate with team members or organize meetings, those kinds of things, where I won't be able to have focused, deep work chunks, those are manager days. And then let's see, so Tuesday here is maker / DHB client site. Same kind of thing for Wednesday and Thursday. Actually, let's go ahead and do Wednesday. Call it Thursday TBD based on week's requirements. Friday equals audible day. This means whatever most important tasks which are overdue or have our deadlines this week. Okay, and then so are there any fixed events or appointments you already scheduled for the next week? Let's say for now. And then, what are the synchronous working hours for internal team meetings? Monday, 8:30 a.m. MST to 1 p.m. MST. Friday, 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. MST. Subject to change to Thursday, depending on client availability for DHB. Shift, enter, 4. Are there any external meetings or sales calls that need to be scheduled? Yes. Moxo and other discovery / sales calls for SVS. 5. Are there any specific tasks or priorities that Nick wants to focus on during his maker date? Whoever's putting this in will just have to coordinate with me beforehand, and then I can let you know if there's any specifics on that. But this week, let's go ahead and say organizing 50,000 foot view of Denver home goes summer. What went well? What how to implement measuring people's performance based on data and numbers rather than hunches. Perfect. So then it gave us Monday 8:30 to 1 available for internal team meetings, 1 to 3:15 deep work preparation time, 3 to 4 preparation for external meetings, 4:15 to 5 external meetings slot Moxo or SBS. Sounds pretty good. Tuesday, maker day, no scheduled meetings, focus on DHB client work. So this will be Daniel Klein this week. Time for reflection on DHB summer performance. No, that'll probably happen Wednesday. So Wednesday I can finish up Jane Fry's bench and then continue to do the review. So this will actually, let's move, and then you can just paste it from Tuesday to Wednesday. Daniel Klein, client for PHP will be on Tuesday. And this tonight, bench finalizing. All right, let's see. So then I can